The preview of its Project Gemini app like Photoshop for the iPad application. The beta version of the application launched to a bunch of craftsmen on a pre-release program. Project Gemini centered on illustrating, painting, and drawing. The application's primary selling point is its live brushes. They are watercolor and oil paint brushes that carry on like paint. In actuality, the brushes respond to the paint that is as of now on the canvas. So watercolors sprout and spread normally, and hues mix together consistently. With oil paints, brush strokes delineated with clear surface. You can even control how much paint can be connected on the canvas. Undertaking Gemini gives specialists a chance to draw with raster and vector brushes, joining the tools from iPad applications like Adobe Illustrator Draw and Photoshop Sketch into one application. Vector brushes are adaptable to any size. You can import Photoshop brushes from your own library, which implies you can stack up devices like Kyle T. Webster's custom Photoshop brushes. Additionally, some new highlights woefully required in Photoshop, similar to a choice device, and the capacity to add or subtract to the choice too. Adobe says Project Gemini is starting things out to the iPad, trailed by Windows 10 and Android gadgets. Both Project Gemini and Photoshop for the iPad set to launch at some point in 2019. There's no estimating data yet. Yet Creative Cloud users can hope to utilize the applications as a major aspect of their enrollment.